Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Google Scholar and signing in so your saves and alerts stick with your account. Type a tight query, short keywords, or a quoted phrase for exact matches. Once done, add a minus sign to remove irrelevant terms and a plus for must-have words. This sharpens results immediately. Make sure to glance at the first page of hits to see common terms, because that tells you which keywords to refine next. Next, refine results using advanced search to target author names, journals, or specific date ranges. This narrows noise and surfaces relevant studies. You can also append operators like cite, edu, or file type, PDF to restrict sources or force full-text results. Once refined, toggle sorting by date or relevance and scan citation counts. High citation numbers often indicate important papers. If you want core sources fast, click Cited By to follow citation trails and uncover foundational literature. Finally, save useful items to my library and export citations in BibTX or EndNote formats to streamline writing and referencing. Set an alert for your refined query so new papers arrive automatically. This keeps your research current without researching. If you get few or irrelevant results, troubleshoot by widening keywords, removing strict operators, or extending the date range. Make sure to reassess search terms.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.